php $_server. This should work. No. Let me just check. Finally. Alright, now let's see if it's going to the right files. Yes, blog.php. Again, inside blog.php we forgot to include. So I'll include it here. Footer.php. I hope you guys are following me. Okay, so it is includes footer.php. So again, the header php include, its inside includes its footer.php. Alright, then with it in contact. Oh, did not change the JS? This one? Oh, this one, right? Right. I got it. Let me check on this. Yeah, date. Okay, cool, great. Thanks. Thanks, Taufik. So yeah, where is our contact.php? So in here we had again php include includes footer.php. Again at the top include. So it's a php command. Always php command goes inside php. So includes header.php. Okay, now let's see for the blog. So I guess where is this? Blog.php. Okay, now everything is all set. So now this is a dynamic page now, at least the navigation, and it's responsive too. Let's see if it's responsive or not. I click on here. Let's see if it's a mobile friendly version. Build this entire thing. See, it's responsive, it's mobile friendly. You see that the images change as per the resolution of the screen. Okay, so that's the reason I tell you guys to explore these templates instead of building one by yourself. You can always customize these templates, you know, if you don't want this particular thing, or if you don't want the background which we'll be seeing tomorrow. How do we really edit, you know, using Firebug? We'll be seeing that tomorrow. How can we change, place things, do stuff. Then the next day, most probably on Thursday we'll see our database. So even before that, okay, in tomorrow's class I'll be telling you guys to learn, I don't know, I won't be explaining you guys functions. If anybody wants functions, yeah, we have the functions class in JavaScript. So I suggest you guys to go through this class, you know, search for functions and you will find the class over there. So I won't be discussing functions in PHP, but I'll be really jumping into functions. So when I talk about functions, I'll tell you guys to go through a few other PHP's built-in functions for string, array, and oh yeah, I'm speaking. Oh no, my bad. Yeah, now you guys can hear me. My bad. So what I'm trying to tell you guys is that, you know, I won't be talking about functions. I won't be talking about functions in PHP because we already learned about functions in JavaScript, which are fairly the same. The syntax, the calling, the written, everything's the same. So just go ahead and check the JavaScript function classes. You will find the classes over there on the website in the past classes. Go through them, and any question will go forward with the with the topic itself as we talk. So tomorrow we'll be discussing how do we manipulate this template which we have downloaded today and integrated. I'll make, I don't think so I can make the entire folder available. So instead I'll mail you guys as an attachment, or maybe we'll use Dropbox, or maybe I'll try to upload the entire folder, the project folder. Let's see how I can really do it. Or the only possible way is upload individual files, which I don't think is a good idea. Anyways, I'll think about that. So with that, we'll be ending the class today. So as soon as the class ends, just leave your feedback, whatever the feedback you got, summary feedback, I don't know whatever you call. So that is it. And from tomorrow, most probably the class will be available to the guys who have paid the fee. So just ensure that you pay the fee. And I know Ankush gonna join us again in June most probably, but yeah, we'll see then. Okay, so guys, with that the class is ended. See you tomorrow. Good night. Take care, just keep practicing today. I know today's class is a bit complicated, but that's how the reality is. Like, there are real complex things out there, so you have to practice. Just practice. All right, thank you. Good night.